Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming power and connection, because many noise issues are simply low power or a bad link. First, check battery above 20% and use a known good cable. Replace if intermittent. Once done, force a reboot by holding power for 10-15 seconds to clear transient faults. Then, unpair and clear Bluetooth cache on your phone or laptop to remove corrupt pairing data. Doing these steps first saves time and isolates whether the problem is hardware, firmware, or connectivity related. You now address the deeper causes: firmware and actual ANC calibration. Update firmware in the Maker's app because ANC algorithms often fix via software patches, record model and version so you can revert if needed. Next, run any in-app ear fit or ANC calibration to optimize microphones and phase cancellation. Test in quiet and street noise to hear changes. Meanwhile, inspect ear pads, mesh, and microphone ports for debris. Clean gently with a soft brush and 70% isolate. You finish by isolating stubborn faults and preparing fallback options. Try wired mode to see if ANC or sound issues persist. If wired works, Bluetooth stack or DAC may be at fault. Swap drivers or ear cups when possible to determine which side or component fails. Reset to factory settings and reinstall the companion app, then repair cleanly. If problems remain, document exact symptoms, tests performed, and firmware versions. That information speeds warranty repair or professional servicing, which is the single most effective backup when user fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.